What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to track time for your tasks or how to add a time tracker on your tasks on monday.com. So here as you can see I'm on my monday.com main account and you want to go to the board where you want to apply the time tracker. So in my main workspace I'll go to test board right here as an example, and here I have some examples that I added here, some items. Let's say this is an important task, so I'll just rename it to important task, and I want to track time here. So what you want to do is to add a time tracking list such as this one. To add it, simply click on the plus icon, and if you don't see this view, make sure you are in the main table view here or add a table view from here. Now click on the plus icon and then type in time, and you should see here time tracking. So add it, and here you can simply click on the start here to start tracking the time here. And you can also, if you click on the cell itself, you can add a session manually. So let's say I worked for an hour on this task and I didn't track the time. I can add the session manually, select the date, start time and end time, and then add the session manually. And as you can see here, I have added it, and I've worked on this task for a total of 1 hour and 4 seconds. And if I just go ahead and on the cell here, I can view the time tracking log. So this is the one that I added manually, and this is the 4 seconds that I was testing before.